Dad draws. Hi, I'm John. Today we are modeling from plasticine. We are making a bunny. Sculpt with me. It will be simple. I'll show you everything step by step. For work, we will need either a white sheet of paper, preferably a thick sheet of paper, and it is better that it be colored, for example, like this green, for example, blue. All these colors suit us very well. You could even say that it will be a postcard. And we have plasticine. I use air plasticine, but, in principle, you can use regular plasticine, soft or classic. Everything will suit us. We will need green, yellow or white or light yellow, pink, black and maybe a little white. And these are the primary colors. Our rabbit or bunny will be very, very simple. Look, the first ball. Or if you don't have a ball, then mom can roll one for you. I think the best way to help a baby is to roll balls. Oh, roll out the ball, remember it a little. Since I have very soft airy plasticine, I won't need it for a long time. But, in principle, you can do it, and it will be great. This will be the head. We'll put it on our hand, this head, and spank it. This is how our head turned out. Here's a flatbread. This will be the bunny's head. For now we'll apply it, but we won't even put it down, but we won't crush it like that, because we'll do all the main things, yes, what we need. And I want to make a dress for my bunny from pink plasticine. I pinch off a large piece of pink plasticine and remember it, as always. I'll make a ball. I also advise you to always make a ball. Crumple it after that, press it and make a dress out of it. This is what they call clothes. Clothes. This is how it will be here. Arms, legs, paws, yes, and an X and a tail, of course, and we will make ears. But first, let's make this piece of plasticine out of green. I took it too, I remember. I definitely need plasticine. This helps a lot in development, yes. After this I will make a sausage like this. Once, I'll roll it out, and then I'll crush the sausage. This will be lawn. Lawn for my bunny. I'll place all this a little higher. Here's the lawn. Like this. We are now doing everything step by step, preparing for our sculpting. This kind of sculptural modeling is called, relief or bas-relief, yes, when we sculpt flat, yes. And, what's there to eat? Ears, as I said, we will make ears from this yellow piece of plasticine. We remember. Let's make a ball again. I always do this. After that, I roll out a long sausage and tear it into pieces or cut it with the knife that comes with the kit. And these are 2 ears. Here are the ears. Here on the left and on the right. Yeah, it's almost like a bunny. We still have a large piece of plasticine left. What are we going to do with him? Paws, arms and legs, as we say. But these are still paws. From this ball we will roll out strips into such a long sausage. Well, one might say, even longer than my finger, yes. Let's split it in half. We need 4. Oh, and it seems very difficult to do. Like this. Once. And now we must tear these 2 in half again. Tear in half. Like this. Once we break it up. In total we got 4 balls. This is like dividing plasticine. I remind you once again, guys, if you don't have time, then pause. I will always wait for you. And catch up with me as soon as possible. It's not difficult to make 4 balls. In fact, if mom helps nearby, then, in principle, even better. 4 balls. Why am I making balls? I'll tell you and mom. Plasticine. Right now I have airy plasticine, but you, for example, have regular plasticine, yes, and it's quite difficult to knead, but when you knead, your hands and fingers become stronger, and your brain gets smarter. This is very important. So bend the plasticine as much as possible before molding something. We have already done the main thing. I'll roll out 2 paws like this. This is how they will be. So, the paws will be here. I won't connect them yet, but now is the time to use 2 thumbs. These 2 strong fingers and start sticking. This is the basis of clinging. Punch it hard. And it turned out to be grass. Great. Now, let's stick a ball to the dress. Ball, well, you can already say. I'll come up with a name. His name is Sharik, my bunny. So, they mold themselves to each other, but it's okay, we'll make it in time. Just like that. Once. And we also attach the head. It is very easy to mold. And they're really like that. I recommend it for kids to start with. Airy plasticine. The best thing is that you can't get enough of it and try to mash it. It replaces either AA or soft paints, for example, finger paints, and at the same time everything cleans well, at least if you work here on the table. So good. Yes, we did this. Now next. 2 ears. 2 ears here. I put one in the other, and now I press it with my finger. It is important that it holds well. It held up well. Our craft. If you are carrying a kindergarten, so as not to fall apart. Yes. Now 2. And here they are too. This is 2 more. These 2 balls. These are the 2 big 2 legs that I'll attach first at the end. Long legs that will go here like this. Just like that. Oh, he's kind of waving to us with this rabbit. He waves, rejoices, and waves that the guys and I are sculpting him and says hello. And here are 2 big paws. Paws. Like this. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Wow, the rabbit is almost ready. His ears are a little wider. It turned out to be a great craft. Let's finish it with pink plasticine. Again, I want to make a rabbit girl. And that's why I'll make a bow. Here I'll take pink plasticine and roll out a small strip. After that I'll tear it up, and I'll get something like this. I'll attach it, press it twice, and it will turn out, a small little bow, and I'll attach a small circle on top. Now the bow can see very well. So, further. What else is there? Nose. There is a nose. Eat. We attach the small nose of our bunny. It is already clear that this is a bunny girl. 2 eyes. How do I divide black plasticine? I always roll it into a long sausage. After that I tear it apart and throw 2 balls here. These are 2 eyes. 1 and second. 1 and 2. Moms and dads can help bring small items to the child. For example, it's very good to hold up small eyes and let the child glue them on himself. This is cool. Little highlights. I do 1 small highlight at a time. And now we will make a tiny mouth. It's important to do this. And this is where, well, you can really help. I'll make a smile. I will try to make him smile at me, my rabbit. Like this. It's such a small detail, but it's very cool. This is our simple activity today. We simply sculpted a small rabbit or bunny gradually, step by step from soft plasticine, but I think you can also sculpt something like this from ordinary plasticine. Just like that. Green, pink, yellow or white, 2 ears, 2 paws, 2 paw arms and 2 paw legs. I call them paws because they are the paws of a small animal, yes. But if we sculpt like a girl, then these are arms and legs. All the best to you. Rejoice, sculpt, share your drawings and crafts with your friends. Be sure to give it to your mom. And they came to our group, to the Telegram group. And the link is in the description, and you will have the opportunity to share with us. I'll like you back and maybe draw something especially for you. Have a nice day and bye-bye.